Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna do basic makeup tutorial. Before you learn how to do light makeup for a day out, you have to clean your face, or you will be asking how to get rid of acne instead of how you put on makeup. Don't forget to apply moisturizer underneath your eyes, as this skin is sensitive and delicate and needs a little extra TLC. Finally, if your moisturizer doesn't have sunscreen, apply it last. But what I did here, I had made it reverse. Once finished, pat your face dry but leave some moisture, as this will help your skin absorb your moisturizer. Keeping your skin moisturized will prevent your makeup from flaking and will reduce clogged pores. Here, I will not be using a primer because my face has already been moisturized. My foundation has run out, so I'll be using another one, and I'll mix this up with my BB cream. You'll see that later. Be sure to choose the right shade for foundation. When learning exactly how to put makeup on your skin, it can either be with your fingers or with flat foundation brush. When applying makeup, start from the center and move outward. And don't forget your eyelids. Make sure to blend in your foundation at your ears and on your neck to avoid the telltale baseline. After foundation comes concealer. Nowadays, it's all about eyebrows, and the bigger the better. Start by shaping and filling in your eyebrows. One of the keys of how to do light makeup for a day out is to stick as close as possible to your natural contours. Align it with your nose and the outside corner of your eye. This is where they should stop. Use an eyebrow pencil and brush to brush them upwards to see where they're uneven. Here, I'm hiding uneven lines by using foundation. Here I have posted a basic pattern for contouring. Pause for a while and check which area is to highlight, the contour, and the blush. Here I'll be using a bronzer. Okay, bronzer is a great way to make your skin look radiant and healthy. So I'll be putting a bit on my nose, okay, and on the lid of my eyes. Okay, next is we have to put eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, you can choose any color you like, but this time I'll be using nude shades. Okay, for my base, okay, I have applied lighter colors. For this palette, actually, I'm using a drugstore eyeshadows, and I'm not using the expensive ones because this is just a practice. Okay, I think this is now clear, so I can now jump to my blush. This will be the finale. Okay, so you can just use a drunk blush, or whatever, you know, whatever pattern you wanted to use. And of course, I'll be using this shimmery thingy. You can put in your eyelids, okay, just to accentuate, okay, the, you know, puffiness of your eyes. And now I'll be using this eyeliner, but I have used only on the bottom of my eyelid. I'm not gonna be putting on top of the eyelid because but I'll be using the eyeliner later on. And yeah, so now, okay, this is the critical part. Okay, I'm not very good onto this, but I'll just try my best to make a wing eyeliner. Okay, so this is a very scary part. Actually, I've tried this many times. I haven't showed in the video because it's really, you know, it's really shame. Okay, so I think this is already fine, not so bad, but there are some glitches in the other parts, but that will be fine, and that will, you know, that will work fine for now. And yeah, so yeah, let's just have to fix the other areas before we settle. Okay, so I can see that there are some parts that I have to highlight, or just put some, you know, shimmer. Okay, so that's it. Hope you like it, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. So I'll be putting lastly this false eyelashes. And yeah, so if you are fine, or if you are happy with this video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up, and I really appreciate your time. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Bye.